Now this background here is fake, and you can do this in just few simple steps that I'll be taking you through in this very short video. Please, I will endeavor you watch it to the end so you know how to do this in very simple steps. But before we go ahead, I want you to know that one major thing you would need is to have lights, good lighting. Right now I'm using a poor lighting setup, and if you don't have lighting, you can just face your window and then you can get the natural light coming from the window. Also, make sure you have either a camera or just your mobile phone, but either of them, make sure it's stable on a tripod. Don't move it. The job won't be done well if you move your camera. Let it be static on a tripod or maybe held by a book or something, but it should be static. So a good light setup, static, and then we will go to the system to do the rest. Okay, so let's go to the system. All right, so on your browser, you just type ronaldo.ai. I'll put the link in the description. Then you sign in with Google. You sign in with Google if you have a Google account. If not, so you open one. As soon as you click Google, it will take you to a place where you now, put your email, your Google email. So this is it. I sign in with one of my, Google email. Click continue to continue. So you continue to sign up. Okay, so it's signing in now. It's taking me into the application. So it will bring you here where you have to put your username. Okay, just like onboarding you, putting your username, and then after putting your username, I put in Mulungu, and then you come and click advertising, anything you want to use it for. Okay, I just put marketing, and then I just show. Now see, I go back to Mulungu because it shows it has been taken. I have an account called Mulungu, so I just changed the name. It's now checking if it's available, and then you will see if it's available. Now you see it's green, it's available. You can use that name, and then you just next. Now this is it. You are now signed in. You have 150 coins to use per day. Okay, and also you can upgrade if you want to upgrade. So let's go. Let's generate image generation, and then here we have it. So you can do that 1, 2, 3, or 4 images at once, depending if you want to, maybe you want to compare. And then this is the dimension. Okay, so let's move on. If you want to do photo reel, which is not necessary, just leave it like that. And then yes, that's the dimension, your 16 by 9. And then this is where you put your prompt, your image prompt. This is it. I've copied one already. I'll put in the description. So you paste your prompt or type in your prompt. This prompt is in the description. You can just copy it and use it for your own self. Maybe just change 1 or 2 things, and then you now generate your images. So I want to generate 4 images at once. So I will have variations, something to pick from. So it's generating. It's not always slow. It's very fast. So I've generated this. You look at it. Do you like it or not? Okay, for me, I don't really like it much. This is looking somehow girly, but maybe you're into tech and you want to do something serious, you can change the prompt. I also have this prompt in the description. I have 2 prompts for you in the description that you generate. Now I'm generating just 2. I don't want to waste my coin. So I generate 2 now. I think this is more. This is better. I love this more than the former one. So you can tweak 1 or 2 in the prompt, while you're generating. I still want to generate another one. Let me compare so I can have 4. Oh, funny enough, this is better. I like the colors here, so I can click on it and then, check between the 2 images, which is better. I go to the other one too. I check which is better. So I think I like the latest one that I did. So that's the one that, that will download it. You download it. You download every image that you want to use. It will download straight to your computer. All right, guys, so our design has been transferred to the phone, and I love using phones because we don't have an excuse to say why we cannot work or edit or create content, because a lot of people say I don't have a laptop, I don't have. So even what you did, the Leonardo AI, you can generate it even with your mobile phone, so you have no problem with that. But let's go on. This is CapCut. We're about to use CapCut, to finalize the edit. So what we'll do is when we come here, we'll open a new project. Now this is a new project where we have everything that we've brought in. So first of all, we'll bring in our photos, the photo that will serve, as the background. So we have a lot of them at the moment. I'll just pick one at random. Which one should I pick? Okay, I think I love this the most. Yes, we pick this, and then we add it. Okay, so it's adding. Yeah, so we have it right now. Now that I've added it, I think we'll be able to crop it a little bit so that when we bring the major picture video, we can. So we're about to, let me shift this away. So we're about to crop it. Let us crop it so it won't be everywhere. Let's go like this. On my light in. Okay, let's just manage this for editing purposes. So let's go. This is it. This is the background. Next thing we do is I do like to call it PNP, but we'll bring an overlay. In InShot it's PNP, but it's overlay. So we'll bring it in as overlay. The video we are about to, bring in. So this is the video we recorded previously. So we'll be bringing it in. Okay. So bring it in. Okay. And then we stretch it on top. But now what we want to do is we want to remove the background of this video. See, we're using mobile phone, so we can stretch this. We can stretch our background. This is the background. Stretch it all through to the end. Stretch it, yes, to the end of the video, hopefully. Then you now come back here. Be sure they're all equal. Then we want to crop out this image. We will now come down here till we get to, I think we've passed it. What we're looking for is cutout. We want to cut out. Okay, replace background. Want to replace background. So yes, so this is it. We're cutting it out. Okay, so this is what it is. You can now move it to a side. Okay, or maybe this side, as the case may be. Whichever fits you, you can move it there. So let's leave it there. Okay, so let's scale up the background a little bit. Scale it up a little bit, and then maybe move our character to this side. Okay, just manage this for now. But I would also want to differentiate the background from the character. So it'd be nice, we go to effect and do that. We go to effect, okay, and then we go to video effect, okay, and then we can go to blur, any of the blur. We want to blur. Let me just try this blur. Let's see how it works. So yes, so you can see the background is blur. Okay, and you can adjust the blurriness. Okay, the speed it blurs with, the extent it's blur. I want to blur it very well so it separates us from the background. Okay, you can just play with it the way you want it. If you don't want it to blur, the speed, the intensity. This is the intensity. Okay, yeah, so we have that. You stretch it like an attachment to it, so you stretch it all through to the end. Okay, this is what it is. So I think we can make do with this one, but if we're not okay, just play around with it. That's exactly how to do it to get this beautiful background without breaking the bank. If you want to learn more about content creation, especially mobile content creation, we have a free class and also a paid class for everyone. So start your content creation journey in any field you are. There is something you can create content about in that your field, and you have a niche waiting for you. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and share with your friends to know how to do this exact thing as a content creator. AI is changing the world. Don't be left behind. Thank you very much for watching.